Hi, my name is Nahani, and I will answer one of the question, the third question about the types of action research in education. There are different types of action research in education. The first one is teacher research. Then it is for a small group. The teachers may be seeking solution to problems about classroom management, instructional strategies, use of materials, how are students learning. And the second type is when a group of teachers are working together to do a research about the school, the whole school. They want to know in their school where they are teaching, how are things going. They are working together. They are maybe doing research about an issue that involves several classroom. And the third one is more wide, is more national, where a team of teachers also, they are a team of teachers and others are focusing on a school, not only their own school, but they are doing research on a few schools in one region. In our country, we talk about district. Maybe they are doing research, let's say about dropouts in a certain district. What is the cause? Because we know that students from different district, they can have other problems, other challenges. So, for example, challenges for students in Paramaribo may be different from challenges for students in Comowana. So that's why you also have the third option, the third type, where teachers doing research of schools in a district or a region. One more time, there are three types of action research in education. An individual teacher is doing research in her own class. She wants to know how her students are doing in her own class. The second one is when a group of teachers are doing action research on in their own school. They want to know strategies of their school. How is the school in general running? Are things going good? And the third one is when a group of teachers are doing action research in a whole region, a whole district. Thank you for your time.